Yo, welcome to Mercury X. Today we are finally continuing Konosuba. It feels like it has been a year since I last recorded. I've been a little bit under the weather. And then today, I think we have had less time where we actually had electricity than we haven't had. We have like 4 power outages in one day. I don't know why, man. It's just pissing me off. But anyways, I'm finally watching some Konosuba, man. I'm very excited. At the end of last episode, we finally got Lalatino back. Darkness, finally, after all that struggling 2 episodes, not even seeing her really. We finally got her back, and then at the end of the episode, that other girl showed up. What was her name? That lady with Megumin. They were supposed to get rid of the monsters, whatever. They were forming around the walls of the city, and then she just suddenly burst in there screaming for Kazuma. So something went wrong. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's get into episode 5. Kazuma! Straight to it. That you entered the other day. It's going to be Aqua again, man. They're all chasing after Aqua, aren't they? Yeah, she definitely did something. Was super serious effect. Yeah. Able to approach it, yeah. So everyone is going outside of the dungeon, going towards them. Bro, it's always Aqua's fault. Oh, he fully just hit there. So, no bother right now. Yeah, need to raise our magic circle real quick. What the hell is this? Is this the monsters? Yeah, that's very random. Summoning these monsters. Yeah, maybe there is a different problem. It's just sticking me off. Now she's going to make the things offensive. Oh, get rolled. Wait, what? Still thinks it's kinda cute. Oh. Get rolled, Aqua! Let's go! To grab someone and did explode. That's epic, bro. I'm glad it happened to Aqua. Because it's Aqua, that's why. Oh, darkness, bro. I didn't even think about that. Wait, what? Wait, what? She didn't even take damage. Kazuma. Get rolled, Aqua. I've had enough of dungeons. It's your fault every time. But she has PTSD from dungeons. What do you mean, darkness? She's gonna leave her behind, but she's going to enjoy that. That's the difference. I can actually hit him. Wait, what? Why? This is very strange. Get rolled. Bro, darkness just has 3 of them on her. Oh, they're gonna run ahead. Sense of fulfillment. She can actually hit the target. Doing my duty as a crusader. Let's go. Yeah, Darkness is popping off actually. She doesn't even take damage. Wait, what? The guy's just sitting there rubbing a doll. She has way too much confidence at the moment. To my dungeon. Oh, he's the dungeon master. Okay. Okay. It's a cool introduction. That usually means he's useless. That's just how this anime goes. Let's go, Darkness. Once again, their fault. Losing more money the more she works. Nice. Okay. That's so weird, bro. He's just sending out these dolls, okay? Why is this guy even here, though? Like, what's the actual reason? Wait, what? How does he know that? And of course she's fidgeting. He says a death wish, so... Wait, okay. Then he finally gets beaten, okay. So that's how he wants to go out. This guy. He just wants to be the main villain for a season. Let's go. That's how I wish to die. What the hell? I respected it. It was uninhabited, so the monsters were already out because of Aqua. Nice. Yep, Aqua again. Okay, he can just like read their minds. What is this? Some tea actually lasers around. Bro, Aqua's our whole vibe. She's just chilling outside drinking tea. Wait, what? Bro, what the hell? Oh, that's very random. Why won't you kill humans? What's your plan then? You can kill Aqua because... Yeah, she's a goddess. Okay, Darkness, let's go. She can't eat the shot though. I feel like she can eat those other things, but not him. Get the grip, yeah. But she's still Darkness. What the hell, bro? He can't hit a single shot. That's terrible, man. He just ran away. He's just sitting around the corner. Oh, he actually went for a sneak attack. Oh, twist his ankle and he's done. Oh, she actually got him accidentally. Let's go. Let's go. You lose. Wait, what? No, he's going to control Darkness. I'm not even hurt. Wow. They are very delicious. Yeah, Darkness has the weirdest emotions out of all of them, so he's vibing with that. Oh, that's disgusting, bro. He just took over Darkness. She can still talk. Go ahead, show no mercy. Let's go, Darkness. Konosuba's conflicted, he doesn't know what to do. The very model of a crusader. What the hell, man? She loves being praised, let's go. She's enjoying it. Coming through. But is she just cleaning the floor now? Oh, the magic, let's go. He's just ignoring that, bro. I love Konosuba, he just doesn't care, bro. Yeah, she loves it. Leave me go. You will actually do that. My interest, yeah. She wants to know. He's just going to walk away, bro. Someone's body a mistake. Yeah, that's rude, bro. You're gonna get cancelled. Damn, get rolled. You got sealed now, Aqua Pure Fam. That actually works. The most intense pain I've ever felt. Let's go. I might just fall for him. This random guy that's just like torturing her. Even the guy controlling her is like questioning her, bro. I love some nemesis. Wow. Aqua's a nemesis as well now, but I feel like this isn't going. Bro, she just planned for this. She was just waiting for him. What the hell? That's a crazy spell. That's bigger than a mountain. So I took a shot at it. Yeah, let's go. That actually worked. Yep. You're so stanky. It's actually me who stinks. I'm smell behind me stink. What the hell? He's out of breath. Or is Darkness out of breath? Who's out of breath? Wow. Aqua's once again making fun of people. That is horrible, bro. He's just gonna kill some people. Wait, what? Crimson Demon's sense of values. What do you mean? No! All-seeing demon wanted poster. Wait, what? That's so random, bruh. Megami has fallen. Quite functional, Whiskey Magic of Gods. I just already expect this fight to end in some stupid way. The scrap of a Crusader, wow. What's going on here? Darkness is weird, bro. Konosuba Rash going to do something. Everyone's just looking at him. I just get dragged into it. Yeah, he's just always in the middle of this. What's the plan? Okay, let's go, Kazuma. Such an easy woman. Wait, what? That's definitely going to reach her. Take control of him. She's just gonna whip it off now, like without any struggle. She's just gonna whip the mask off now. It's going to be so anticlimactic. I can already see it, bro. He's definitely going to steal a panty then. He's definitely going to steal a panty, I know. Do something unbelievable. Oh, damn. Don't let him sweet talk you. Wait, what? He's definitely stealing a panty. Oh, no. Tinder? Oh, no. This just burned his ass. Oh, what doesn't matter. Okay. Just send it. Use your explosion magic. Wait, what? She just has a death wish now. I don't believe it. I can't take anything serious anymore, they said people say. The time we shared wasn't bad. What do you mean, darkness? Explosion magic with me, oh damn. A sweeter offer, huh? He's definitely going for his explosion magic then, Possessing your body was quite enjoyable. What the hell, man? Damn, that's crazy, bro. No! Konosuba is just putting himself further and further into trouble, bro. Oh no, he actually went with it. Oh no. What the hell, bro? RIP. Okay. Lalatina is done for. Explosion! But she just... That explosion looks so hectic, but it just has such a small area of effect, it doesn't make sense. Oh no, the sad music. Freedom's commander out, the suspicions were cleared up. Easy claps. Executed is a big relief. Yeah, that would be a big relief. Okay, she's fine at least. She only lost her armor. Let's go. What is wrong? They're saying as if something is wrong. Let's go, Lalatina. I love it. She's done Lalatina now. The crazy thing I was hoping for. Oh, that's the thing that Kazuma did. Lalatina is really cute. Your name Lalatina, bro. That's horrible. Okay, that must be some big cash. Will be subtracted. Let's go. To celebrate your achievement. Now they finally have actual cash. They have 40 million. They're no longer broke, no longer in debt. Let's go. Oh, a day like this every once in a while ain't bad, yeah. I thought it was like a villain or some shit saying something like, ah, this ends today. Yep, he's no longer in debt. Let's go. The wings of freedom. Oh, there isn't even an outro this episode, what? Okay. Yeah, she doesn't have any friends. Poor Yun, man. Yun. I still don't know, man. I love watching this anime. You always expect the worst to happen, and it's just hilarious. You can't take anything serious, and that just makes it a fun-ass time, you know? I love that you can like kind of predict from the beginning that there's going to be some BS way that they sort this out. At the end, it wasn't actually that much of a BS way they sorted it out. They literally could have killed Darkness if she wasn't like so resistant. She's actually very overpowered, like in terms of her resistance or armor or, you know, health. I don't know how to say it, you know, but her defense is very good. Like, she took the explosion from that like little door thing like it's nothing, as well as the explosion magic from Megumin, which is like super overpowered and has been overpowered throughout the first 2 seasons, as we've seen already. So it has gotten major buffs. It's a lot stronger than it originally was, and she survived that, man. So yeah, Darkness is actually hella overpowered. She was finally able, for the first time in her life, able to hit the targets, which is a good thing. I'm guessing everyone is kind of, you know, leveling up at least. These targets were quite useless, and she wasn't even able to hit the actual guy until Kazuma bumped him into her sword. But at least she was able to hit the little targets at least. Previously, she wasn't even able to hit still standing targets, so it's major improvements for Darkness, you know? The whole town dubbed her Lalatina. Her actual name is out and about. Everyone's calling her Lalatina. Oh no, that is horrible, bro. Imagine having an embarrassing ass name and the whole town is just calling you that. That's horrible, man. The debt got paid off, which is a W, man. Finally, we can have some money for this party. They've been in debt since like, I think it was episode 4 of season 1. Like, that's crazy, man. They've just been in debt their entire lives. Because Kazuma's only been here like a few months before that episode, you know? But yeah, that does it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe to content like this. If your channel, I'm uploading daily videos. If you guys want to check that out, drop a comment down below if anything I missed. And I'll check you guys next video. Take care.